Hello everyone, Scott from Pebley here. Just a quick walk around. It's coming straight off the transporter. This is the all-new Kona EV. It's the first time we've actually seen it in flesh. We had a brief look at one a few weeks ago, but it was a left-hand drive, not a finalised production model, but really stunning. Metal blue, and this is the ultimate spec as well. So we'll just do a quick walk around, nothing too in depth. Sooner rather than later, it will be on the road as a demonstrator as well. So increased battery size to 65 kilowatt versus the 64 in the previous outgoing Kona electric. Slightly better range as well. The big thing for a lot of people is the increased size. So we've got a 40% bigger boot on the EV compared to the outgoing model. So I'll show you into that in just a moment. We've got the EV specific wheels, as you can see just there. And if I just pull us around into the rear, you can see the rear full length lights are just there. Electric tailgate, one thing a lot of people ask for as well. And like I say, it's just come off straight off the transporter, so do forgive all the protective stickers and things, but you see there, much bigger boot, which is nice. And we've still got the split floor capability and plenty of underfloor storage as well. Now we've got the light grey interior on this Ultimate here. Really complements the metal blue. Metal blue being a new colour for Kona, or the new model Kona. And if we jump inside, as you can see there, really nice interior. Got our dual displays as well. Looks really slick. And again, being Ultimate, we've got things like our 360 camera. We've got a sunroof just up there as well. But look at that. Obviously very similar to the combustion engine Kona. But we're really excited to get this on the road and get you folks in to have a look. Any questions, give us a shout. 01793 816 800 or drop us an email on sales@pebley.co.uk.